Yo, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the latest master grade model for 2025, this year in short. This is the Gundam Vidar from the Gundam Iron Blood Orphans. So I'm very happy to have this model kit here because to be honest, this is a bit expensive here in the Philippines, especially if you go to shopping malls and you find it in Toy Kingdom or Toy Town. They will sell this to you around 4,999 at first during the hype days, but as of this recording, I saw this Vidar at the price of 4,499 pesos, so it's still a bit expensive, but I'm very happy to buy this, or I bought it from Dream Toy World. It's a Chinese shop from Shopee Philippines, and I bought it for only 2,500 plus, or around 2,500 pesos, so it's very cheap. And thank you so much, Dream Toy World PH, for selling this to me at a very affordable price. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this latest 2025 master grade model from the band has to offer us collectors. Fangen wir an, los geht's! Gundam Vidar from Gundam Iron Blood Orphans. So this is one of antagonist model or mobile suit from that series, and this is being piloted by Galio something, and I forgot his whole name. Honestly speaking, I am not a big fan of Gundam Iron Blood Orphans, and I'm just a fan for the Barbatos, of course, the Barbatos, and how I wish that they or Bandai will produce also a master grade version for the other kits, such as the Gushun Rebake. If maybe in the future they will do that, but I'm very happy that Bandai already did another master grade from the IBO line, which is this one, this Vidar. So there we can see the Vidar, very sinister looking Gundam, but really a badass Gundam for me, since it has so many nice armaments, such as these handguns and this sword, this fencing style swords, and this rifle here, and so many cool gimmicks from this kit. The only downside for me is the color. Actually, it's just a personal opinion. I really don't like the color scheme. It looks so dead to me, but the design wise, this is very nice. It's very cool and sinister looking. I just wish that maybe if you like painting the kit, just paint the kit with your preferred color. Anyway, so much for that. So let's go with the features in the side of the box. Here we can see the front view, rear view, and action pose view, same as what we saw in the box art. And there we can see the inner frame parts, or inner frame model here. It looks just like the Barbatos, and there we got some movements here, the frame, the cockpit. There we can see Galio there, and some markings from the War Slide Eagles, just like that. And the other side of the box here, we can see so many poses. I really like this pose here, this Foot Hunter's Edge, which is very nice feature where the feet can act or turn into a weapon, just like that. Very nice. And there we can see the handguns. It just remind me of the Gundam Dynamis and Strike Noir, where it can wield handguns, and I find those Gundams badass because it's not that usual to have those kind of big machine that wield such a handgun like that. So it's very cool looking. And there we can see this rifle and the sword, this burst saber, or it looks like fencing swords like that. Very cool. And of course, yep, Gunpla markings like that. So if we open the box here, let's do so. And there you can see the instruction manual. So let's focus first on the instruction manual. So we got the picture of Gundam Vidar here, same in the box art. And there you can see the parts list. I'm looking for the parts list. So I'm just a bit disappointed whenever I see this cross marks on those parts, and this means that these parts are not included for your kit, so you'll not be utilizing this parts here. It's not included. But for me, it's like an insult from Bandai, because you just bought the kit with so many garbage included, something like that. So anyway, there you can see the assembling process. So I just I can say that it's like going back with the Barbatos days. Okay? And here in the center fold, you can see how this kit looks like in color. So this is the frame. It looks like just the Barbatos, something like that. Okay. There you can see how you will do the placement of those eagles, just like that. Okay, and so we go with the parts. So the parts here, we got this gray parts for this one for the inner frame. There are parts that has been dislodged. We got silver parts here for the pistons, gray parts here for the guns, and there we got the stickers, foil stickers. Then we got here blue parts, multicolored parts, and we got here Galio. There we got some Galio figure, and gray parts for the inner frame. I got gray parts again, and some stickers. Yep. Oh, by the way, this is not a water slide because, which is very nice. I really like this because I'm very lazy utilizing water slide. So this is clear stickers, which is very nice for me. I like this. I like this. I might utilize these stickers. And we got here this black parts. Okay, black parts again. And I saw this part will not be used. Too bad. And there we got gold parts and black parts for the shot saber, or forgot that. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner H2 for the rifle, and we got here runner K for this shot lance, or what do you call this really? Burst saber, sorry. This is burst saber parts. So we got two of these. Then we got here D1 for the pistons, and we got here runner F for the gray inner frame parts, and another runner F. So we got two sets of runner F, and we got here this runner A2 for this gray parts, the inner frame parts. Then we got here runner H1 for this black parts here, and We got this sludge part already, so I might keep this now. And then we got here runner B for this gray parts. Another runner B. So we got 2 sets of runner B. We got this gold parts here for the accents. We got runner D2. And to be honest, I am not confident with this kind of plastic, so because it deeply reminds me of the Macross 172 scale from Bandai, which is very brittle. I hope this is not that brittle. And there we got runner I and another runner I here. So we got 2 sets of runner I, this dark or black plastic here. Then let's go with the multicolored plastics now. We got runner J for this V-fin and the other blue armor pieces. Then we got here runner E for this inner frame parts. We got here runner G1 for this multicolored parts. And this is the first time I saw a multicolored runner that is not an A runner. Instead, this is G1 runner. Okay, we got here the Galio figure sitting and standing here, and I find that Galio here is quite large. So this kind of figure is not like the usual figure that I am getting from the other master grade models. This pilot figure, I think it's because Galio is a Martian. So there, it's quite tall compared with the other figures that I'm getting from the previous master grade. And there we got runner C2 for this gray inner frame parts and another runner. So it's C1 and C2, by the way. So they are combined. And finally, there we got runner G2 for this another multicolored runner. We got here this clear pink plastics here. This is very nice. Okay, and let's not forget, it has this stickers here, this clear stickers, and we got here foil stickers for the eyes and some I think this one for the camera lenses and this one for the back part. Okay, so see you next time after I build this Gundam Vidar, and hopefully I can review it as soon as possible. Anyway, this is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying thank you so much for supporting my channel, for watching my vlogs and reviews of Gunplas, and this make me inspired in doing these things. So thank you so much, guys, and see you soon. Goodbye, God bless, take care. Masalama, paalam sa inyo lahat. Auf Wiedersehen, sayonara, masalama.